guys, it's Michelle with Adventure Mentality. As I started to edit the video for Portofino Bay, it just got super long, so I decided to break it up into two different parts. So here is part 2 of my Portofino Bay vlog. And good morning from Portofino Bay. That bed is super comfy. Like it's so like, it's not like sink down soft, but it's just nice. It's nice. I slept really good. And we're gonna go back to Universal today. We're gonna spend the rest of the day, the rest of the time in Universal, unless we get the desire to do Velocicoaster again. So that's a possibility. All right, so back on to our hotel walkthrough. Got a nice little map here. I'm gonna show you guys. They've got villa guest rooms, West Wing guest rooms, which are out here. A hospitality wing and an east wing. A lot of the things are centered around in the piazza, the stores and the restaurants. It's big, but it's also manageable. We're gonna go walk around a little bit. We had breakfast at Trattoria del Porto. The breakfast there was pretty good. I mean, just your basic pastries, bacon and sausage, pancakes, and then they've got a menu where you can order just breakfast fare. So, pretty standard, but it's good food. It's definitely good food. We're gonna have dinner here at Mama Della's Ristorante. So a tip is to book your reservations. So a lot of people know that you have to book reservations for Disney, or you most likely are not going to get the restaurant that you want to eat at. Universal is kind of known for being more kind of on the fly, but honestly, I haven't had much luck in the past couple months. I booked last week. The only reservations that were available were 8:45 and 9 p.m. for Mama Della's Ristorante. So once you know your plans, even at Universal, it's probably best to book reservations. And you can always cancel them if things change, but it's always good to kind of have those reservations in place. Sal's Market Deli, kind of a quick service type area. Got pizza, calzones, things like that. I like the floor in this elevator. Mosaic, dolphins on it. Ooh, it's hopping today. Sunday. Lots of people checking in. So it is a busy Sunday, that's for sure. Alright, so we're gonna walk around towards the other pool that we didn't get to yesterday. The East Wing, which is the hillside pool. There's a little pathway around the outside. So we're gonna head down that way. This hotel, man, all the good feels. I love it. This is also part of the walking path, jogging path. Back over here is an area for pets and service animals. It's just super nice. So we're gonna come sit and check out this pool over here, because this pool is supposed to be the most secluded one. All right. So this one over here is the hillside pool. Probably because it's set up against this little hill. If you want to come relax, they've got a handicap accessible chairlift. Tell if I can see that or not. So we're gonna come over here and sit by the pool, go over a couple things. The main benefit of staying at this hotel, of course, is the Universal Express Pass that you get when you stay for everyone in your party. To give you a little bit of a comparison, last in April on a Saturday, I was gonna look into buying Express Pass for a person in our party because we only had 5 people total that we could get on the room key, and so we would need an extra one if everybody was going to have Express Pass. It was going to be around $200 for one day of Express Pass for one person. And when I got 5 unlimited Express Passes for 2 days by just booking a night, booked a night at Royal Pacific, it was a little over $300, I think, for one night. But I got 5 Express Passes for 2 days, which if I was buying that outright, it would have been like $1,000. 200 times 5, it would have been like $2,000 just to buy Express Pass. That's on top of your park ticket. Oh, yep, I am still dragging. I could probably go back to bed right now. It's like 11:30. I think it's time for a little mid-morning nap. They have many different types of rooms. They have standard rooms, club level rooms. They do have suites. The benefits, we talked about the free unlimited Express Pass. You get early park admission, which you get with all the Universal hotels. Transportation, there are buses that run, but why you would take a bus is beyond me, except to Volcano Bay. You'd take a bus to Volcano Bay, but to go to City Walk or the 2 main parks, you could just take the water taxi. You have resort-wide charging privileges with your key card. They do package delivery, like I talked about it in the summer. An extra on this one is they'd have priority seating at specific restaurants, select restaurants throughout the resort. There's a lot more dining options at this restaurant. You've got the Trattoria, which is where we ate for breakfast. They've got the Mama Della's restaurant too, which we're eating at tonight. Bice restaurant. Bice restaurant? I think C's make it cha in Italian. I'll have to brush up on my Italian. Sal's Market Deli, just a quick deli area. Bar American, the Thirsty Fish, the Splendido Bar and Grill. So the Splendido Bar and Grill is the pool bar that services the villa pool and the beach pool. The Gelateria, which we're probably going to try later this afternoon. They do have a Starbucks, and they've got room service, so you can call and have food delivered to your hotel room. They've got the 3 pools, the beach pool, the villa pool, the hillside pool. They've got activities. They had the bocce ball court on at the villa pool, and they've got, I saw an air hockey table, or was it a pool table? There were a couple, I think it was a pool table at the beach pool. They've got that kid area, the splash area with the little ship, and they've got the water slide at the beach pool. They do have a game room, which I have not seen. They do have laundry. There's a laundry room in our building, so I'm assuming there's a laundry room in all of the wings. They've got shopping, not just the Universal store. They've got a couple other different shops as well. They've got a walking and jogging path that goes around the resort, and it's not available right now, but they have a kids camp and also things that are
not available right now, but should be returning sometime probably within the next couple months. The Musica, della and Harbor Nights. So live music and kind of like a party vibe. Low key party vibe. We did see the Avis car rental, and of course they do have the universal planning luggage services. Guest overnight parking is $28 a night. It was quite a bit cheaper at the Endless Summer Resort. There are microwaves available to be sent to your room, so you could ask for a microwave for your room. Those are $15 per day. They're first come, first serve. So if they're out, then they're out. You can ask for the next available, but they're $15 per day to have in your room. And pets are welcome at the hotel. I think it's a $100 fee. They do have the spa, which we mentioned yesterday. Honestly, this hotel is pretty nice. I like it a lot. It makes you feel like you're in Italy. But then you're also within walking distance of the parks, which I love because I like the option to walk if I don't feel like waiting. I really love this hotel. Price point is pretty steep. It can get up to $600 a night, like just regular rack rate. You can usually get discounts. I like to book these hotels when there is a meetup, because the meetup price is the best price that you're going to get. It's even better than the pass holder discounts that you would get as a pass holder. And it's been a good trip. We go home tomorrow morning. Get to see the kids. We got to go get them a couple treats today to take home. It's consolation that they didn't get to come. Stopped in the this is the gelateria, and there's the Starbucks and the Universal store. Got our gelato, and we're gonna head to the parks. I'm not sure if we can take this on us. I think we can take food on there. I got strawberry, caramel crunch, cookie, and chocolate. I don't know what to call it. Mark got mint chocolate chip. So we are going down to dinner at Mama Della's, and we're gonna see what they have good to eat. Like I said, it's a late reservation. It's 9 o'clock, so we're gonna eat and then come back and pack because we leave early tomorrow morning, and then we're gonna go to bed. So let's go. Got dessert to go. Flourless pistachio chocolate cake. And Mark's got a cannoli. So checkout day at Portofino. It's a sad day. It's another gloomy day. Leaving Orlando. Because Orlando's sad that we're going. So we're saying goodbye to this view.
So I just want to take a picture of these. The artwork shows the city of Portofino, and it looks like exactly like this hotel. So here's like what it's supposed to be getting. It's just so pretty.